Aweni, the child to be washed and then possessed. Ọmọ tá a bí fún wíwẹ̀ àti fún níní. This Oríkì is very deep. It is a name given to a child considered to be very precious. The child that is so precious that we shall daily make clean, we shall daily cleanse, and then we shall possess, meaning we shall treat this child as something really cherished. It will be ingrained in the consciousness of this child that it belongs to us. We own you, therefore we cherish this possession. Aweni, the child to be washed, to be cleansed, and to be possessed. The child to be made clean, to be beautified, a child to be decorated, and to be owned. That is how you treat something you own jealously. Something so valuable to you that you don't want to see dirt around them. That is an Aweni. But on a spiritual level, it can also mean the child who has been washed and possessed by a river deity. Those who are devotees of an Orishaomi, when they give birth to a child, especially when it is the case that the Akosejaye of this child has revealed that the child is going to live a life in service to this Orishaomi, whether Oshun or Yemoja or Erin or Olokun and what have you, a child who shall daily consecrate herself to this Orisha and shall be possessed by the Orisha can be given the Oríkì Aweni. But on a general level, it simply means a child so beautiful, so unique and special that we daily beautify by washing and then we possess jealously. Wàá Ṣere.